That's some good looking grass. I got a neighbor, we'll call him left neighbor. I don't want to call him out on the old interwebs. He says my videos are boring. I don't know what to tell him. I think he's boring. I don't make these things for him to watch. They're for me. Don't know where I'm going, don't know what I'm doing. Apparently I'm going to sit in some traffic. This is nice. Oh. Oh. I can see how this might be boring. I don't even want to watch me do this. This is nice. Like, I spent the last month, maybe, how about that, playing Elden Ring every minute of every day, not doing anything else. God, you're talking about a total time suck. I mean, it's not like we've had a bunch of nice days around here to get out and ride. There have been some. I just ain't been doing it. And the Elden Ring. God, it was good though. I think I put 220 hours into it. Dexterity bleed build, by the way. Yeah, this is better. Nothing like sitting in traffic. Oh God. Good. More sitting in traffic. Yeah, I don't really know how this is better than playing video games, but Jesus. Oh. God, Daddy. The clutch hand, man. I got to start switch hitting a little bit. Keep that thing built up. Hey, look at that. Whoa! People are crazy, man. They're going to go where they're going to go, whether you like it or not. What is going on here? My goodness. Why did I come this way? Worst decision I've ever made in my life. Well, it looks like Left Neighbor was right. These videos are boring. Dang. Alright, well, I gotta get out of this. I don't know where this road goes. I don't know if this road comes out somewhere. I may have just smurfed myself. I don't know. I don't like it though. Why did I come down this way? Whose idea was this? My God. This road to be extended in the future. Okay, cool. Be nice if it was right now. This road to be extended in the future. Do it now. It's just a neighborhood. One in, one out. And the Kent police, I'm not even close to Kent. What? A little rabbit. Hey, little rabbit. This is bananas. I'm taking it. This traffic is ridiculous. Look at this. Yeah, I'm out. I didn't think this was normal. A lot of flashing lights up here. Like a lot of flashing lights. I guess we're all going down 78th. Let's know where that comes out at. That's a lot. That is a lot. Couldn't really see what had happened, but it is a nightmare. This is the most boring video of Left Neighbor's life. This is all for you, buddy. That's alright. I'll give you a glass of whiskey while you watch it. A couple of Mormons. Missed a spot. That's what I should do. I should be a channel that just drives around and critiques people's lawns like an asshole. Oh. My entire reason for coming out was to make left neighbor eat it. This is the worst.